So I'm gonna try some things that are probably unique to Japan. McDonald's in Japan. Let's go. Ikimashou. Oh, I adored it.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Shall we begin?
Alright, so I got the spicy chicken. Let's see if it's actually spicy. A spicy chicken sandwich. You have to ask them for ketchup because they don't just assume that you want ketchup. Let me go wash my hands. Okay, let's see if this chicken is actually spicy. I'm so hungry because I only had like ramen for dinner and some tandoori salad because I knew I was gonna have fast food today. So some spinach. So hungry and I haven't had breakfast. These fries are small, they're not so hot. I didn't order, just a few minutes ago I ordered. Maybe because the time is cold, they get cold quickly. I really prefer KFC fries. So this is the sandwich. This is the size. Basically, this is how it looks. Not much vegetables, just a little bit of lettuce, so that's kind of sprinting. And I guess the sauce is supposed to make it spicy. Okay, let's bite it. Small sandwich. I can taste of the spice, but I'm not sure if it's very spicy. Yeah, it's spicy. There's lots of black pepper there. The black pepper make it spicy. Too much black pepper for me. I don't know what the orange thing is, but it's good. It's a little bit salty too. Not so hot in my opinion, as in it's not so tasty. Well done. Still have some fries left. All done, and I'm not full. I just have a lot of black pepper. I'm gonna try the fish sandwich next. This set was for 500. Yeah, quite cheap. Not bad. Cheaper than KFC. You get a lot of fries, okay? But them small. Let's try this new sakura sandwich. This is like egg, bacon. I don't know what these things are, but let's try. Yeah, because it's spring. So this is extra big beef pastrami. Hard to believe when by something name. Extra big beef pastrami tatami. I'm gonna show you the inside. So the sandwich only for this is $4.50. I didn't bother to buy the set, of course, because I still have fries and drinks left. So this is it. It's bacon and egg and beef. Pastrami tachami. Let's see how it tastes. The sauce has a sweetish taste. It's good. You can taste each flavor distinctively. It's good. Nothing is overpowering. Like you can't taste anything over anything. You just taste each taste just collaborate into a really flavorful sandwich. What I like too is that the egg is properly done. It's not runny. I do have runny eggs sometimes, but I'm not everywhere. I must not eat raw eggs. I suggest have it while it's hot because cold egg go nice. Not a lot of vegetables though, just a little bit of lettuce. I think we're done with just a come because this place open 24 hours. This one is open 24 hours, so eat all day, eat all night. Chicken nuggets. This is filet-o. This is a new tea that they have. Take the ice one. Barbecue sauce. Oh, two. She said two. Barbecue almost done. Oh, what is strawberry chocolate? Hot strawberry and cocoa pie. And of course some fries. Haha, let's go. Leave the barbecue to get my fries. Father God bless His food. Thank you for providing with the beef center. Shrimp filet-o. This is just how it looks. Some cheese, lettuce. It's steaming hot. It has a strong shrimp taste, but not overpowering, and it doesn't smell bad, like, you know, smell raw. Shrimp flavor. No, them people ever say black people eat enough. For me, once them I eat that. Actually, the nuggets. Oh, you know, I thought the nuggets was a side option other than the fries. Anyways, no problem. At least we get to taste it. All of this costs 1,120. Barbecue sauces for the nuggets, but you can't eat anything. I want to eat it. I'm mine. I bought it. Five pieces. It's fresh. Not so crispy. Doesn't really taste like chicken, tastes more like flour. So I guess it has a lot of coating and just a piece of chicken on the inside. You know what is the child? Enough man, no more McDonald's after this. Let's taste the new drinks. It's a green tea, but it don't look green. And it's the wrong thing we choose. It's tea, it's not green tea, it's a tea. I bet I'm gonna go home and boil my tea. I water this. So water, may I tell you. So water. Go one side with that. And then full up your ice. I forgot to tell them if you don't give me the ice. Thumbnail. Alright, let's taste the hot strawberry and cocoa pie before it gets cold. So it looks like a pocket, quite crispy, flaky. There's a lot of strawberry filling and cocoa chocolate filling. It's not too sweet, and the combination is actually good. This is really good. You know, I have to ask for a bag. You can't eat up this. I'm not pay Irie and get 0. Go do it myself in every blend place. I lose that fried chicken nuggets there. No, it's not a taste, it's not a spice, it's not a flavor. It just tastes like flour. Yeah. I'm done. I wish them boy did there. Me and Mike can come to this. I'm gonna live in Italy tonight. See you later. My head cut off because of the camera effect. So, this is me eating McDonald's for 24 hours. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please remember to do so. Hit the like button and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. We're trying to grow this channel, you know what I mean? So if you share this video, I'll give you this. I know you want it, Share. Share. You share it? See you later, my family. Boom bang. I'm out. See them display the toys. Catch a pic with them eyes. Gotta catch them all. There are some really nice toys though. Hello Kitty. How can I see? They even have the Hello Kitty there and they're Chinese. They look cute.